gonna sneeze on him.
Oh my goodness, it's hot today.
Finally,
Lord, it's
Keyshawn.
hot today.
Pass my bag in the back. Huh? My bag.
Why you couldn't grab your damn... Oh!
I'm sorry.
Wait, what the fuck was... Did you just fucking sneeze on me?
Bless you.
What you mean bless you? You just disrespected me. Ain't no bless you.
It was on accident, Keyshawn.
You just sneezed on accident, my ass. That ain't no accident, bro. You damn near just spit on my whole face. What the fuck you laughing at? Bro, give me a napkin. You're some nasty. Fuck.